Good morning, my dear students. Standard 3rd, subject English. Myself, Miss Alima Sheikh, your English teacher. So students, as you know, in the previous lecture I had explained you the very first poem number 1, A Pretty Game. Right students? As well as I had given the homeworks to you to write this poem one time in your English notebook. Right students? Already I had explained you this poem in the previous lecture. But still today I am going to explain you this poem again. Okay students? So let us start with the poem. Students, before explanation I am going to recite the whole poem and then afterward I will explain you. Okay students? Poem starts, okay? Unit 1, poem number 1, A Pretty Game. So students, today we are going to learn a very interesting poem. Students, before I start explaining this poem, first of all, do you like to play games? Yes, I know that everyone likes to play game. Yes? And you know that students, there are so many games are there. Outdoor game as well as indoor games. Yes? Yes, all of you like outdoor games most. But in this period of lockdown, you must have to play only indoor games. Means the game which is played inside the house. For example, carom, chess, ludo, etc. Students, which game do you like to play? Yes, I know that most of the students are going to say cricket, kabaddi, kho-kho, badminton, etc. Right? But as you know, the lockdowns are there, so you have to play games which is played inside the house. Okay? Now, in this poem, also the poet wants to tell us about a pretty game. Right? Students, before I start the explanation of this poem, first of all, I am going to recite the whole poem. Then afterward, I will explain you in a line wise. Okay? So here, the very first line. Unit 1, poem number 1, A Pretty Game. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. So students, now the very first line. Students, the topic name, as you know, a pretty game. Students, what is the meaning of pretty? Pretty means pleasant, beautiful. Pretty means sundar, right? Game. Game means everyone know. Khel. Right? Now come to the very first line. The sun and the rain in fickle weather. Students, fickle means something that changes quickly or suddenly. Fickle means what? Changing frequently. The climate changes very fast. So here, weather means mausam. So, the sun and the rain in fickle weather. Sun means suraj. Rain means barish. Fickle means, as I told you, the climate changes very fast. मौसम बहुत जल्दी चेंज होता है. तो इस चेंज मौसम में कौन कौन है? सूरज है और बारिश है. Right students? The sun and the rain in fickle weather. We are playing hide and seek together. So here students, the sun and the rain are playing a beautiful game. And which game they are playing? Yes, they are playing hide and seek game. Students, जो सूरज है और बारिश है, वो दोनों खेल खेल रहे बदलते हुए मौसम में. कौन सा खेल खेल रहे हैं? लुका छुपी. हाइड एंड सीक मीन्स व्हाट? लुका छुपी. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? द सन and the rain, they both are playing hide and seek game in fickle weather. And where they are playing? Yes, they are playing this game in the sky. Right students? Students, again I am asking one questions to you. Which game they are playing? Can anyone say the answer? Yes, it's right answer. They are playing hide and seek game, right? And who is playing hide and seek game? The sun and the rain. They both are playing hide and seek game, right students? So students, now let's see a rhyming word from these two lines. Students, can you see the circle part? Yes? Weather, together, the two words. It's a pair of rhyming word. Students, what is the meaning of rhyming word? Rhyming word means that have same or similar ending sound. So here, weather, together. This is the rhyming word. Got it students, everyone? Just stick out in your textbook, weather, together. This is the rhyming word. Okay? Now students, move to the next two lines. So here, the next line, and each in turn will try to chase the other from his hiding place. Students, chase means to run after somebody to catch that person. So here, the sun and the rain are catching each other from their hiding place. So here students, and each in turn will try to chase the other from his hiding place. Students, everyone know how to play hide and seek game, right? So here students, the sun and the rain are catching each other from their hiding place. Here the climate is changing suddenly students, as I told you. Sometimes it's raining and sometimes it's sunny, right? जैसे कि यहाँ पर जो सूरज है और बारिश है, वो दोनों खेल खेल रहे हैं. कौन सा खेल खेल रहे थे? लुका छुपी का. तो उसमें एक जन छुपता है और दूसरा उसे पकड़ता है, राइट? तो यहाँ पर भी कौन खेल खेल रहा है? सूरज और बारिश. तो जब सूरज छुपता है तो बारिश होती है, और जब बारिश रुक जाती है तो सूरज बाहर निकलता है. सो हियर एज इट इज सेड, समटाइम इट्स रेनिंग एंड समटाइम इट्स सनी. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ लेट अस सी द राइमिंग वर्ड फ्रॉम दिस टू लाइन्स. स्टूडेंट्स, एज आई टोल्ड यू, राइमिंग वर्ड मीन्स that have same or similar ending sound. So let's see. Students, can you see the circle part? Yes, this is the second pair of rhyming word. So here, chess, plays. Students, everyone put a tick out in your textbook. This is the rhyming word. Okay students? Now students, move to the next two lines. At last, they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. So here, students, the sun and the rain, they both met to each other. And what did they said? They said goodbye. And at that time, when the sun and the rain, they both met to each other, that time what happened? Yes, the rainbow spanned in the sky. Span means the rainbow spread from one end to the other. So it is called spanned. Right, students? So here the sun and the rain, when they met to each other, they said goodbye. So that time what happened? The rainbow appeared in the sky. Right? Students, rainbow spread from one end to the other. As it is said, spanned. The word spanned means spread from one end to the other. And what thing is spread? Yes, it's a rainbow. Rainbow spread from one end to the other in the sky. When the sun is shining, right? And somewhere it is raining. At that time, you can see a rainbow. Students, in the sky, what we see? We see rainbow, right? How many colors are there in a rainbow? Can anyone say? Yes, there are 7 colors. How many colors are there? 7 colors in the rainbow, right? And which are they? Yes, there are 7 colors in a rainbow, right, students? And the rainbow appeared in the sky, as you know, right? But the colors are according wise, okay? They are in a proper order. So let's see the color. So here there are 7 colors. And which are they? Yes, the very first one, it's a red. Then orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and the last one is violet. So students, how many colors are there? Yes, there are 7 colors. And name the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and the last one is violet. So students, we had seen the rainbow colors. Yes. Now here the poet says finally that the sun and the rain met each other and said goodbye. And at that time, what happened? Means at that moment, a beautiful rainbow appears in the sky. Students, how the rainbow appeared in the sky? Yes, the rainbow spread from one end to the other. So, as I told you, right? The rainbow appeared in the sky. Students, in this also we can see the rhyming words, as I told you. Right, students? So here in this line, the rhyming words are goodbye and the next word is sky. This is the third pair of the rhyming word. Understood, students? So students, everyone understood the last 2 lines also? Okay. Now let's see a short recap of this poem. So students, as I told you, a pretty game. Pretty means pleasant, beautiful, right? जिसे हम कहते हैं सुंदर. Game means खेल, right? So here now, the sun and the rain in the fickle weather. Students, a game between the sun and the rain. They both are playing game. And which game they are playing? Yes, they are playing hide and seek game in the sky. And which weather they are playing? In a fickle weather. Means the weather which is changes frequently. जैसे मैंने कहा था सूरज और बारिश, दोनों जन खेल खेल रहे हैं बदलते हुए मौसम में। और कौन सा खेल खेल रहे हैं? लुका छुपी का खेल। Students, in these two lines, there is a one pair of rhyming word, weather, together. Students, जैसे कि मैंने आपसे कहा था, इस दो लाइन में एक rhyming word है और वो rhyming word कौन सा है? Weather, together. Students, you all of you have to study this poem, okay? Now, the next two lines. And each in turn will try to chase the other from his hiding place. Right? So here they are chasing to find out one another. Right, students? वो लोग दोनों एक दूसरे को ढूंढ रहे हैं जहाँ पर वो लोग छुपे हुए हैं। और कौन छुपे हुए थे? सूरज और बारिश। राइट, वो दोनों छुप रहे थे क्योंकि वो लोग कौन सा खेल खेल रहे थे? लुका छुपी का खेल। So students, in this two lines, the rhyming word is chess, please. Right? Now students, this is the last two lines. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. So in the end, at last, they both met to each other. At that time, what they said? They said goodbye, right? And in that time, in that moment, what happened, children? Yes, the rainbow spanned in the sky. The rainbow appeared in the sky, right? And span means spread from one end to the other. Right, students? I hope everyone understood this poem. Students, now let's read the poem. So students, now you all of you just read after me this poem. Okay? It's a very important poem for the exam. Okay, students? Unit 1, poem number 1. A pretty game. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. So students, I hope everyone understood the poem, right? So students, now I'm going to give you the homework. Okay, students? So students, now is the homework time. Okay? Students, again I am saying, already in the previous lecture I had given you the homework is to write the poem one time in your English notebook. Right? Students, जैसे कि आप जानते हो, इसके पहले लेक्चर में मैंने आपको होमवर्क दिया था। आपको ये पूरी पोएम वन टाइम लिखनी थी आपके इंग्लिश के बुक में। राइट स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द नेक्स्ट होमवर्क। अभी मैं आपको दूसरा होमवर्क देने वाली हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज द न्यू वर्ड्स. न्यू वर्ड्स मीन्स डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स. Poem number 1, a pretty game. In that, this is the new words, means dictation words. ये आपका आज का होमवर्क है. ये न्यू वर्ड्स आपको वन टाइम लिखना है आपके इंग्लिश के बुक में. स्टूडेंट्स, These new words you have to write one time in your English notebook. Okay? Students, first of all, you have to put today's date, and then afterward put the topic, and then start with the new words. Okay? So students, let's see which are those new words. Here in this, number 1, I have written fickle. Second one, weather. Third one, playing. Fourth one, hide and seek. Fifth one, together. Sixth one, chess. Seventh one, hiding. Eighth one, rainbow. Ninth one, spent. 10th one, pretty. Students, I am repeating again the new words. Whenever you write the new words or whatever the homework which I have told you, just read and write. Don't write simply. Students, जब भी आप होमवर्क लिखोगे आपको रीड करके होमवर्क लिखना है. हर एक वर्ड, each word you have to read and write. Okay? So here the words are means the new words. Number 1, fickle. Students, you everyone just repeat after me the new words also, so that you can learn very easily. So here number 1, fickle. Second one, weather. Third word, playing. Fourth word, hide and seek. Fifth word, together. Sixth word, chess. Seventh word, hiding. Eighth word, rainbow. Ninth word, spent. 10th word, pretty. Students, these dictation words you have to write one time in your English notebook. Students, again I am repeating. In the previous lecture, I had given you the homework is to write the whole poem one time, right? And today's homework is you have to write these new words one time. Students, this poem is very important for the exam. So everyone just by heart this poem. Students, जैसे कि ये poem बहुत ही important है एग्ज़ाम के लिए, आप सबको ये poem by heart करना है. Okay students? So now students, thank you for watching the video. Students, if you have any doubt regarding the homework part or about the explanation, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my personal number. So students, thank you for watching the video.